Increasingly, they began to appear frame houses. Recent advances have been successfully used in low-rise frame construction. These homes are in demand, but because many are ready to build similar structures with their own hands. In addition, frame construction process is not very complicated. Frame construction homes with their own hands. At the beginning of construction, you have to decide what kind of a house you plan to build, temporary or permanent. The basis of the house is a light wooden frame, a design made of vertical posts with horizontal strapping. Emptiness filled with insulating materials having low thermal conductivity. Frame construction homes with their own hands. The foundation for a frame house. Expediency of application is the construction of buildings with no more than 2 floors. In addition, the second floor is recommended to build on the mansard type. It is not necessary to use a deep foundation. Use taper-pier foundation. The goal in using these types of foundation, a rigid frame, to achieve the necessary rigidity by using a strong reinforcement frame device. The frame can be either wooden or metallic. Approximately 35 to 45% metal frame is more expensive, so it is rarely used. For wooden frame devices are used, usually oak, but its absence can be used on other timber species. It is important that the cross-sections was 150 times 150 millimeters. Corner connections should fit so that there are no gaps. Use signed hardware is not necessary. This is due to the property of the wood, which is in contact with any metal begins to rot, weaken connection, and this leads to a loosening of the building. Use wooden pins, which will guarantee you a long service life of your frame house. Frame construction homes with their own hands. Floor device. First, roofing material is laid on him, a special impregnation, which prevents the absorption of the wood moisture. And on top, wooden beams on the perimeter. Attach the anchor bolts, using step 2 meters. Do not forget to rake gaugeable to properly expose the corners. Misalignment should not exceed 10 millimeters. Use a material for walls, floors and supporting structures. This is necessary to ensure that the frame house built by his own hands has not warped over time.